My name is Keith Gammill. I work for the Arkansas Economic Development Commission on the Manufacturing Solutions team. And I'd like to share a valuable new service that we're offering to manufacturers throughout the state. We're calling this the Workplace Resilience Assessment. So what is resilience first? Resilience is two things. First, it's the being prepared to take advantage of opportunities that present in the market, and also to be able to adapt and overcome negative circumstances that happen that impact your business. So we're calling this the workplace, not the workforce, resilience assessment. And the reason is because we believe the focus goes on workplace, because it's those environmental factors that an employee is experiencing that determines whether or not you're resilient, whether you can take advantages related to the workforce and overcome obstacles. So how does the process work? There's a pre-assessment that we'll send ahead of the on-site visit. The leadership team will participate in that, and there's 7 different areas in the Workplace Resilience Assessment. So everyone participates in the first 2, and then the people in specific areas respond to those last 5. We come on site typically within a week or 2 of that, and then we just walk the process. We're looking at the way the company's responded to that pre-assessment, and then we're offering our observations and recommendations. So what's the value add for the client? Conversations that typically don't happen around these 7 important factors related to workplace resilience, alignment on the leadership team, insights and best practices that we can offer based on our work with manufacturers throughout our career and all over the state of Arkansas. So the best part about the Workplace Resilience Assessment is the cost. It's free. Of course, it'll cost organizational time. We believe that the value proposition will be well worth the time you invest in it.